Babe, please, I'm begging you. Talkless, come.
Okay. Let's watch this video.
Chama, well done.
Continue.
So, for online, they say maybe your girlfriend is date too.
You know if you walk, I know sure say you go if you walk.
This shock me. Why not tell me say your boyfriend a billionaire? I know you like him. Say you want blow, I be not the blow again.
I
Okay.
want to blow.
Chama, your girlfriend say you want blow.
I be want make I blow you.
Sorry.
Yes, I'm sorry. Are you guys know the couple that is trending on TikTok? I'm so happy to meet you guys. I'm so happy. Please, can I take a selfie?
Jesus, man.
Hey guys, it's OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So please make sure to stick to the very end of this video because trust me, it's gonna be a blast, you understand? And while watching, make sure to subscribe if you're yet to do that. Turn on your bell notification to get notified anytime I drop new video. So you feel me? Don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Hey baby.
Part of the year. Nasboi, part of the year. I don't understand. Nasboi and part of the year in the same sentence.
Aha, how you there? Last week, I see you for front of my shop. Now you dey drive that white motor, abi? You can't stop my daughter. You collect a number. I don't have a problem with that kind of character. Huh? Two of you now come begin the chat inside WhatsApp. I dey read everything, don't worry. What you bring that kind of nonsense where you begin to send my daughter the picture of your penis?
Jesus! Jesus!
Yeah, bring that your phone. Yeah, open up. Is this not your penis?
If I can apologize for being wrong, then it's just...
That's okay. Look at what a very young boy like this carry. Huh?
I'm not a here word.
You can't begin tell and say you want to put her for 6th position.
I want to put you in 7th position for 7.
Which position will you take come up from school?
I'm still in school, sir.
That's undergraduate. Huh? But this your man who can't be like who they do masters. It's okay. Which school that you attend?
Unilag, sir.
Unilag. Now them. And what do they study?
Mass communication, sir.
Bam. Now 100 copies they here. I want mass communicate here, this your picture. Give everybody. Let them know the kind of wicked woman being will you be. Look at.
Who never fuck up hands in the air?
Please, I beg you, please, sir.
It's okay. Take. This is undertaking. Eh? If you read, you go see say you tell you say make you stop to the send your note to woman. You dey hear what I tell you. So when you read finish, you go sign up. Take it.
I get coconut head. I get big ear.
If you look for that side, that one talks say you go buy keke. Make I put for higher purchase so that I fit take care of my daughter. Eh? This one now I go born am. Eh? No worry. I know be that kind of person. I know see as you know say she dey come. You go don't go wash all your bed sheet. Eh? You don't spray perfume everywhere. You cook?
Yes, sir.
What do you cook?
Jollof rice.
My jollof rice, oh.
That's our favorite. Well, bring, make we eat.
Madam, I beg, give me 2 cups of red garri there.
Nduka, you know they tire. Even though say you don't get money, try get shame.
Oh, Jesus.
Small shame. Get them for your body. Eh? Every day give me garri, I don't get money. I go give you tomorrow. You know the shame.
Madam, why they do like this now? Who tells I won't pay tomorrow morning? You know when I won't pay?
When you go pay?
Let's have it.
I'll pay this night.
My dear, will you get out of my shop? What's this? Are you okay? What's the difference between tomorrow and this evening?
Madam, if ladies everywhere red, I for buy red garri.
You get up say na this sweet melody music mood we are there now. And for don't change them for you.
And give me bread, ma. Use drink come.
Okay.
This one why you dey happy this morning? You win lottery.
You know they hear this sweet jam we are they listening to.
Which song be that? Who sing am?
Now the judge featuring Cash Kid, Alarm. Now this song will be my morning alarm every day. They listen to that.
Make I hear it.
Every day, EFCC for my corridor. Wait till them they find it.
Come on, the song sweet though. Those boys they get talk from out.
And this one are the second verse.
Hey, give me one bread. Make I use drink I come.
My baby can't feel. Drink some Maya in my brain. Controlling my baby at the
Thank you.
See, this lady's on the choke on me. The money.
Nduka, you never rest.
I move. You are a thief.
It's here. Hey! Person don't thief my phone, oh! Hey! Police, oh! Officers! They're gonna help me.
What happened?
Phone where I use they play music for there. They don't collect them.
Who be your suspect?
And then they suspect say Nduka collect that phone because he come my shop to come collect Gary for credit and not give him.
Oh, because they don't say Gary give and I thief your phone. Yeah. Madam, no problem. Enter the motor, they go station.
Madam, when you reach station, you go that statement.
Etaka.
Okay. Yeah, then they close that shop for me and they come.
And the mumu don't enter inside the car.
I'm nonchalant. I don't want no beef because of
And they don't go enter inside the car.
Babe, you know I love you so much. And I'm ready to make this official.
Okay.
Will you marry me?
So this is love.
Oh my goodness! Okay, no vet, I beg. Say na this road I go follow like this now. Bust out for Abaka.
Let's have it.
If I enter keke for you. Hey, I dey touch you, I'll find another person. Ask I beg.
Okay, put it now. I put the ring. There's no ring on my fingers now. You brought out your finger and I put the ring. There's no ring. Where did you keep it now? There's no ring on my fingers. This is my fingers now. I've already put it. Oh, come on.
Just in that bike.
No fine. Now you did.
Waiting.
That my ex what they tell you about that.
And that your ex be that? That guy. I recall.
Babe.
I greet you, bros. Well done. I bet no verse. You know that girl.
Now my ex be that now. What happen?
Now your ex.
Yes.
Now me be a new boyfriend.
Wow, congratulations.
This will not be congratulations matter. Bros, why?
Why waiting?
Why you go raise a standard like that if you know say you no go marry her? She tell me say they give her 500k every month. That time when I date.
Now my babe now, I got spend on them now.
Yeah, you say make her for start from now. And you want me she take value my own 10k.
That one concern you now. What to concern me now? If you want to data and you live on for who feed data now.
Half our blood. No, they move now.
I greet you, boss.
I greet you.
I bet me come out the thing when they your eye.
So what did man?
Yes, that the thing when they your eye. When you no make you see that they follow your guy, they talk. You they crazy who goes you. Jesus, Mozkoh! Where did they do? See this small picture. Ojala, go now. Bye.
Come on, there you go.
Let me follow that motor. Follow him, bro. Okay, wait till they come and carry you. Black no satisfied. See, and you offer us work. Mozkoh. I'll meet you for house. Mozkoh.
Hey. Follow and reach out. Follow and they go. Can you imagine? men is the fight. Small men the fight over.
Ada.
Daddy.
Where are you going to?
Daddy, I'm bored. You know there is no light. I just want to go and see a movie.
Oh, you want to go to the cinema?
Yes.
Oh yeah, let me go with you now.
Want to follow me?
Yes, now I want to go with you. I don't want to be alone in the house. I'll be bored.
Eh.
I just want things to get better.
Daddy. Where are you going to?
I'm going to see my brother, Uncle Ima. He's at the estate gate.
Daddy, can I follow you?
Oh God, please.
Please.
I want you to help me to get out of here.
Oh, yeah, go and wear your slipper.
You come on, come on.
Oh my God! Ifoma,
Daddy.
I said let me go with you now.
Oh, yeah, go and wear your slippers now. I'll wait for you here.
Oh, I should go and wear my slippers. You wait for me, Abi?
Yes.
You know what? Go and bring my slippers for me.
That's not how they used to do it now. You see that we'll go and bring your slippers. Come
on, keep quiet. Come give me job.
Look at
I don't have sense.
I'm a wicked man.
Before Abraham, Jesus was.
My head now, wisdom I full and see.
Aboki, try to wash your clothes now. It's okay, yeah. Try to wash your clothes. Try to brush your mouth small. I better give me change.
Mate, one project na project 2 years na pipe and na 1,000 pound.
1,000 waiting.
1,000 nem na bege chonzo ana wa na break back at the okay. But na get bege chonzo ana na 1,000 pound.
See, I no hear wetin you dey talk. I tell you say na 400 I get. See, no come here make you no dey use bobo for me o.
But I get back chonzo ana wa na get me this money na 1,000 na bege chonzo na get me. Then I get back na back.
Oh no, so that's
not more why you
I go cash you. Your head way no correct. I go cash you. No be 400 you call for me.
Don't worry, key. Check ya.
You guys smell.
I got more. But no, I cannot. Back. What you breaking? I got more. I got more. Couldn't I kill it? Like your money.
Fine girl. Fine girl. Fine girl now.
Hey, baby.
Hey, my guy, have fun now. We go talk later. Hey. You know him?
Go for a beat.
You supposed to know me now, okay? Uncle?
Sandra, good morning.
Good morning.
You don't open your shop today?
Business is really bad, Everything is just so expensive. I can't even stock up my shop, And the economy is nothing to write home about. Nigeria is really helping these days, oh. Yes, Nigeria is helping. I made a lot of sales yesterday, sir.
Wow, I thought you were complaining about the economy.
Me? Yeah. No. Me? I can't.
I'm happy for you.
Where are you going to?
Just going to the junction over there.
Let me open my shop,
Try and relax, so stress. Oh yeah, now take care.
All right. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much. So, my brother, have you heard anything about very dark?
Oh, come to think of it, that is the voice of the people they are trying to shut down. See, you know you do it. Don't let Nigeria happen to you. You see, Nigeria. In Nigeria, the administration is working.
Wait, what have the administration really done for us now?
Come to think of it, they promised us a good road, electricity, and
The country is doing well. See? Well, let's hope for the better. They still have 2 years. Let's just hope for the better. Let's hope. And drink up, my brother.
Hey, see me. Are you not going to furthermore with your education again?
Me furthermore with my education. Okay. Have you forgotten that I graduated with first class in banking and finance? And tell me, what job has it gotten me to? Nothing. Please, let me just continue with my banking and finance in my promo business. Because the Nigeria economy is nothing to write home about, I beg. In fact, see, Nigeria is the best place for you to, continue your education. I'm telling you. Yes, so at least the administration is trying, Yes, they still have like 3 more years to continue.
Once they don't cover
So
their
let's just give them a try. Don't worry. Hey.
Once you say anything against
Never.
they'll cover your mouth.
Thinking postponed. Bye-bye.
Thinking postponed. Distraction. Silence box.
Okay.
God have mercy upon us.
What's going on here?
Continue.
Talkless. No, sir, not the one for this house. Anytime I see side, I do video. Now then you go they come they stop my videos.
Now here is supposed to.
And so?
You know you get follow yourself, you get pride. Come up for here.
Talkless. I beg come. Since then I don't do videos, I don't get any followers.
How you want to get followers? How you want to get everything all your face now in the shoe?
Talkless. I get fine face now. I get face card.
So may I use my recharge card, they watch your face card for this economy. Your mate they turn their back, they shake their hands for internet.
What be this?
Now get way to him back, now people go follow. Aji.
Now Talkless, I'm gonna take do am now. No vex. Are they serious now? I beg. Help me.
Now like this about the talk. Not be all this way they do.
Let's have it.
As Speedy Film official, if you do am.
You sure?
Aji, I sure. Okay, don't come.
The earlier you learn to be who you are, the better it will be. Man knows.
Talkless. See, remember that video we do for there yesterday?
This video we will do.
That video where we say you enter my video where I push you come out. Okay. You don't go believe I mistakenly post that video. And as I post that video, see, get like 1 million views. Look at see the comments now. Look, see you guys look good together.
Rono.
Are you guys dating?
Very
sweet relationship.
What's going on here?
God, when?
Hello, sir. Are you?
When are we getting the next video? Not to say we'll drop video for them, move to another one for them now.
You know they respect my privacy. Say because you post yesterday, I don't sue you. Now why they do like this?
Not just video now.
I just video as well. You know see comment section wait to say more they date for there.
I wonder.
No see the way to say more kiss for there. Now the way to say more do that one nice. Okay.
Talkless, but you know say I get boyfriend.
May I be your online boyfriend? Don't tell your offline boyfriend me come there be the do am. Aji.
But then I just video.
Come on this place. Which kind of be this one?
I just video. Babe, please now. Babe, please, I'm begging you. Talkless, come.
Okay.
Let's watch this video.
Chama. Well done.
Continue.
So for online, they say maybe your girlfriend is date too.
You know if you walk, I know sure say you go fit walk.
It shock me. Why not tell me say your boyfriend a billionaire? I don't like him. Say you want blow, I be not the blow again.
Okay.
I want to blow.
Chama. Your girlfriend say you want blow.
I be want make I blow you.
Sorry.
Yes, I'm sorry. Are you guys know the couple that is trending on TikTok? I'm so happy to meet you guys. I'm so happy. Please, can I take a selfie?
Please don't
Come and pick this is something. So must come and pick a grad. I know the last comment.
Please help me take a picture.
God. What type of plane is this? This is plane.
Boyfriend not done photographer.
God have mercy upon us.
Let's have it.
My baby. Go inside. I want to follow our photographer talk. Aji.
Jato. Hey, Oga. Come around. Oga. What's up? I jolly for Eva reporting the anything for the boys.
See, I don't like the way you've been dressing up lately.
That's my uniform.
These things are expensive. Just give me
dinner t-shirt, dinner cap.
Just look good.
What the trouser? Have you wear this trouser?
I'll still give it trouser again. Hold this one first now.
I have black short nigga. Just clean. Thank you, guy. Okay. Thank you, guy. Let me watch that cow.
This is where they come on in a spiritual.
This son, oh my goodness. Fine girl. Oh, quiz me. Let me holler at you. Ojukwu the polio. How are you? My name is Jat, aka Ojukwu Nepepe. What will you take for me to spoil you? Let me spoil you.
I saw all of you.
You have money, Abi?
4 months. Do one of my houses. I have like 3. 2 days for the key. Do you want the one I just go and relax? Jesus.
It's like it's you have been looking for.
Nah me. What are you doing?
You're under arrest.
What are you calling me under?
Human trafficking. All the atrocities that you've been doing.
Madam, why go arrest me? What you say? Not be me do those things.
Think we won't catch you.
Madam,
you are the owner of this house.
Not be me. See the person who get house. Oga. Run. Inspector Balo is reporting for duty. Oga. Let's bring the call.
Oga. What's the meaning of this nonsense now?
Just want to chill, but problem will find you coming for where chilling spot.
That's one
Selling.
that can never be caught.
Come and let me go and buy something downstairs.
Buy something?
I'm coming.
Selling, hurry up!
Just to go buy something for downstairs.
Selling, just to go and buy something.
Yes, so my dear, never to be caught on fresh. You don't know, you can't put outside.
Toma, para que me recorte, ven, que esa es la única manera.
Yes! Give me that phone. Give me that phone.
Which phone?
I saw it.
Yes! I've seen it.
Yes!
Behave yourself.
Jesus.
Yes, you! Bring that phone. Put it here. My eyes are everywhere. I'm seeing all of you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Jesus.
Me?
Sir, sure, I beg.
Jesus. What have I done? Oh.
Madam, sir. Sir, my data finish, and I still the right another finish. And then know if you share me your spot.
Hold on. You don't need to share now. You can use my phone. They are browsing phones.
Oh, that would be nice.
God have mercy upon us.
I won't have my Wi-Fi with me.
I will need it.
Exam success, yeah?
Thank you, sir.
But no verse, I beg. Oh, but why you go carry my tools go school? Go the waste time for there. You get loco. I for nearly told you to go.
Not be this mumu people. Exam move for right by 9 o'clock. Then come go the right time by 12. Baba, sorry, I beg. Life is simple.
Ouch him.
Now pay back you.
Please, now I'm still outside. Now I've been here for like 30 minutes. Just give me a listening.
Your boyfriend apologizing to another girl.
I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry from the bottom of my heart. For real. See that picture? It was AI generated.
AI.
It was not me that posted it. She was the one that posted it. I'm sorry. Please, can you forgive me? I've been calling you. I've been texting you. I've been doing so many things. I saw my grandma. I don't love her. It's you I love. It's you I love.
No.
I just met her first before I met you.
Really?
I saw my grandma's life. It's you I really love from the bottom of my heart. I can also post you too, for real. But you don't want to be posted now. You know you don't want to be posted. For real. Please take me back. If you don't take me back, I'll die. You are the oxygen in my lungs. You are the hair in my wardrobe. I can't do without you. I'm gonna go and hang myself. Do you want me to hang myself? I know you don't want that. Let me just follow you inside.
Oh yeah, come inside.
Oh, thank you.
This Oluches now, Momo. Oluches you be, Momo. See as you tell they beg me, down they beg you, like, do like this one see they worry you for it. Anyways, thanks guys for watching to the very end. I trust you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section. And please do not forget to check out my other videos. Check them out. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure to do that, man. Make sure, you know they had. It's just PM. You click on that subscription button and that's all. And you can go one step further by clicking the bell notification to get notified anytime I drop new videos. You understand? So stay safe and see you in my next video. Peace out.